Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to be taking a look at the Holy Stone HS210. It's one of these nice little indoor whoops with the duct fan motors there. Looks cool. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. Okay, here we are out of the box. And there's what you get. And this is the first time I've ever seen this, okay? They give you 3 batteries, okay? Now, they're very small. The batteries are very small. They're 3.7220s. But this is the first time I've ever seen that they gave you 2 chargers. So you can charge 2 of the batteries at the same time. So that's a first. I'm sure it's been done before, but I've never seen it. Here's your little bag, the screwdriver, the spare props. They give you a full set. The removal tool, the 3 batteries, the instruction booklet, and it's got quite a few different languages in it. Here's some precautions for the battery, which means don't burn them. Here's the transmitter. You got your takeoff land. Here's your headless mode, on and off buttons down here. Here's your sticks. It feels nice. The transmitter feels good. There's your speed and there's your flips. The quadcopter is right here. You know, these quadcopters, they give you the spare props, but on these kind of quadcopters, it's very hard to break these props. Okay, the way they're in this little case right here, it makes it pretty difficult to tear these up. You would basically have to fall into some kind of tree or some kind of where sticks would get down in there like that. But just bouncing this thing off the wall, it's not going to break a prop. Okay, that's not going to happen. So more than likely, when you get one of these with the bag of spare props, you're most likely never actually going to need to use one of the props. I charged up the battery, so we might as well check it out. I'm going to take it out and fly it here eventually, but this is an indoor one. But I always like to take them out and try them outside too. But we'll do it inside here to get the ball rolling. Okay, I got the battery in. It was not easy, okay? It wasn't easy to get that battery in there. Let's turn it on and bind it up. There's the calibration. It's flashing. There's the takeoff. Boy, it's quiet as heck. Quiet as heck. Let's check the rates. 3 rates. Let's check the flips. Wow, they're tight. They're good. Good. Okay, it flips in all the directions. Now, I'm not expecting a lot out of this battery, okay? This thing flies nice, man. I can tell you that right now. This is gonna fly nice. This will fly outside. I can just tell. I can just tell. I got it in the second rate now. But I can just tell by the way it steers, how precise it is, how nice it steers, that this will fly nice. Okay, no doubt. This will be great outside. It's just smooth as glass. Wow. I'm impressed. You know, when you can keep one of these little whoops going around in the house without crashing for a whole battery, you know it steers pretty precise and pretty good. No lag in the controls. Wow. Boy, this is a nice one, guys. Real nice indoor flyer. Quiet, too. You can't even hear it. Very impressive. Thumbs up on this. It was cheap, too. I think it was like 20 bucks. Maybe. I don't even know if it was that much, to be honest with you. I'll put the flight time in, of course. We'll do the old flight time. Oh, the light's flashing. Let's see when it drops. If I get the max flight time out of it, it probably won't flip no more. My guess is. Now, when it goes into the low battery, then they never flip anymore after that. Well, it gives you a pretty decent warning. Now, I never tried the headless mode or anything, but I'm sure it'll work. But I did go through the rates. I have a feeling it's just going to drop. You know, it's just going to go up. See ya. Oh, screw it. I'll just keep flying it. It's the longest low battery warning I ever seen. There it goes. All right, guys. That's it. The Holy Stone HS210. Man, is that nice. I recommend this sucker. Get 3 batteries. I can fire it up again and keep going. Wow. Very nice, guys. Very nice. I'm impressed. I'm going to get this outside and fly it. All right, guys.